Ever wonder how the nation's most productive offices actually get the dentistry done? Are you ready to transform your practice from a high labor model to one where exceptional performance will support higher pay rates? Now's your chance to find out. In this exclusive hands-on event, you'll get an inside look at how top practices operate. We'll show you the proven strategies that have helped thousands of offices reach new heights in productivity, quality, and service. Secure your invitation today. Attend one of our limited events and leave with the knowledge and tools to elevate your practice to the highest level. Look forward to seeing you there.